So we're gonna do dry ice today. Right? Okay, that's enough. All right.
Another food coloring.
The food coloring. Yeah, did you want to tell them what else we needed today?
A hammer.
Yeah, so we got our hammer for the dry ice.
Yes.
What's the most important thing about the dry ice?
Is what?
You can't touch it.
You can't touch it.
Yeah, so what do we have? Do you know what these are?
Tongs.
Tongs. So we're going to be handling it with tongs, and then we're going to do some smoking bubbles, right?
Smoking bubbles.
Yep, so we're going to put some
Mine
dish soap in there in a little while. And of course, we've got some safety glasses
already is
just
wet.
in case. Yep. So we're making ours red over there. This one's going to be just a bubbling, so you can see what it looks like. And then that one's going to be all colored in the dish soap, okay, when we get there. So let's get some dry ice out. It says we're going to cover it with a towel. I know you want to see it. Yep, so first we got to get it out. Okay, and you ready? We're gonna put some in this bowl. Oh, can you hear it screaming?
What?
Can you hear it? Listen. Ready, listen. That's the cooling off. Because dry ice is carbon dioxide that's been frozen. So our neighbor was nice enough to think about us and gave us a nice experiment for today.
Thank you,
Yeah, thank you, Lou, right?
Thank you.
Okay, so we're going to put one in here. We're going to see what happens, okay? You ready? Do you want to do it?
No.
No? Okay. So it smokes. I don't know what you can see. All right, you ready? Let's see what happens. Okay, safety goggles on, just in case. Here we go. Whoa. That's kind of cool.
Oops, my gloves.
That's right.
And he just focus.
It's smoking, yeah. That's really water vapor. So it's not real smoke. That's the carbon dioxide.
Not like color.
Put your finger in there. Put your finger in this hole right here. This one. And I think it'll just keep going.
Yes, and mine works.
So I think the more we put in, the higher the bubbles go. Should we put another piece in and see what happens?
Yes.
Which is why we have the buckets, just in case it makes a mess. But it shouldn't. It should be okay. Wow. That's this is the vapor. Right? Because carbon dioxide, you can't put it in there, but you can kind of go like this on the top. Okay. Just in case we put gloves on, but I don't think this would hurt you at all right here at this point. So it's just bubbles and bubbles and bubbles, okay? So this is just like a steam vapor. We're gonna make yours into some bubbles. Where it's actually gonna like bubble up, right? You know, like the ones like we blow? Okay, we'll see what it does. Here, you're gonna put a little bit, just a little, not a lot. A couple drops. Okay, that should be good, I think. We could do this a few times because we got a lot of dry ice in there. Ready? Do you want to drop it?
Yes.
Okay, ready? And woo!
It turned this color.
Yeah. So now we got red bubbles.
No, look here.
Yeah, and it separates so you can see it in this one.
Separates.
Yeah.
Now it turned into bubbles.
Yeah.
How are you doing bubbles?
Bubbles. You think it's gonna make a mess? It's gonna go all over the place.
Yes.
So now they smoke. Smoking bubbles. And it's okay for you to touch this part.
Just, we don't want want to touch it.
You don't want to touch it?
Uh-uh.
You just want to watch it go? But they smoke.
Just let it go.
Just let it go. It's going. Look at it go.
Just let it be.
Just let it be.
Yes.
Okay, we'll watch it.
Yeah, this kind of. You almost at the end.
It's almost at the end. It's gotta go in the bucket. What do you think's gonna happen when it gets to the bottom? It's gonna smoke.
Yes, fog all over the place.
Yeah.
Just let it be, Mom.
Just let it be. Should we see what happens if we add colors to this one?
We're gonna do the same thing like mine.
You want it red? We should do it red? Or should we do it blue?
Red.
Want to do it red? Pretty neat little Halloween thing.
It is. And mine's silly.
It's still going. Did it reach the bottom? It's a good thing we did put the bucket down, huh?
Yes, it reached to the bottom.
So this is one that you're supposed to be able to
Hey, let it be!
pop it.
Let it be!
Alright, I won't touch it. Let it do its thing. It's a lot of bubbles.
Let me wipe them.
Yeah, and look what's here.
What is it?
That's the dry ice bubbling. So the carbon dioxide is releasing into the water.
Just go.
And it's making a vapor.
Just watch it and let it be. Just go and have it.
Okay.
Now we helped it. Now we need another one of these.
Okay. Alright, so that's our dry ice experiment, at least for now. And hopefully we have another one soon. Oh, look at all those bubbles you put in yours.
How much?
I don't know, it's going like crazy though. Do you want to put a little more bubbles in yours?
Yes.
Okay, here you go. Alright, I think that's good. Let's see what happens.
Just gonna bubble like yours.
Yeah, we're gonna try to do the crystal ball.
I know the
I don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna try it.
bubbly.
So when you put it in this, you're supposed to be able to get that soap bubble that goes across. Once it gets bubbly.
Cause this other one we can be just gonna help you. You
I love
helping me. You helping me to
Well, you've been a big helper.
to week. And this one just gonna help you to week.
Mm-hmm.
We're both helping each other to week.
Supposedly this one doesn't take as much soap, and you're supposed to be able to get the soap to kind of go across the top, and then it's supposed to make a dome. But I don't know the proportions, and I can't see anything now, so we'll see how that goes. What's up, baby? Mm-hmm. Does the Whoopies have a good show? Yeah.
This is a good show. Oh my God. Oh my God. My arm hurt.
You what?
My arm hurt.
Your arm's hurting. Why? From where? Where?
Yeah.
Okay.
This hurts.
It looks okay.
Isn't that why y'all wait for it? Yeah, oh.
Yeah, I know.
Cool. Wait.
So it looks like we got it to the top.
Go to the top.
I don't know if this will work. Supposedly. I don't know if there's enough of soap in it.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, you put the cool one away.
Oh, it's a good experiment.
Oh, I know.
Kind of cool. Look at them.
but when it just fizz all the way up there, it's gonna fizz down.
Yeah.
When it just fizz all the way over here.
Now, do you need more in that other one?
Fill, just slide all the way down here and you make a mess.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Do you want me to add more to the other one? To this one?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, here comes a big piece. Ready?
A big
There it goes.
Now you could do it for...
So the crystal ball didn't work, but I think we can get it.
What's the ball?
Yeah, I don't think... I don't think the shape of our bowl is right. And I don't think we have enough water in there now. But it said just to use a little water, a little dish soap, and then to get the soap to skim across the top. And it should encase it so the vapor stays in. But now I can't even see. I don't even know where the water is. Kind of neat though. And this is all vapor in here. So there's nothing over there.
Oh, it could. Very could. Yes, it just...
So if you want to see what it looks
Oh,
like.
we're white. You know we want to want this? Why? Why? Because this is not a joke. We want it. How are we moving?
And we'll try it again.
And no couch? You? See? Catch it? Papa?
Okay, so apple juice experiment. Yeah. We're gonna take a little bit of dry ice. We're gonna let the apple juice bubble. And when all the smoking is done, we should be able to drink it. And it should be, do you think it's gonna be hot or cold? Do you think is dry ice hot or cold?
Hot, then cold. Hot,
Well,
then
it
cold.
does burn you, so it would make your skin feel hot, right? But it's supposed to feel cold. What do you think? Ready?
Oh, this apple juice is so funky.
What is it?
It's so funky.
Smoky?
It felt not really good.
Does it smell good?
Apple juice of human.
Apple juice experiment. What do you think?
Good.
It's gonna be a little while, I think, before we can do that.
What, the wired?
Yeah, well, because we can't drink it until all of it's bubbled up and all done. So it has to be completely calm.
Poetry.
Mm-hmm.
This one so bubble.
Yeah.
This one almost done, but this one no. Too much bubbles.
Yeah. This one's still going.
You can like have that close to me. You can hold that.
Yeah, here, I'll show you. So, in case anybody's wondering, after everything bubbled up, this has been sitting for a couple hours. And inside, all the dry ice, it's still there. And the vases are just really super cold. You can actually see like the frost that's still here. This is all frozen. So, kind of neat. We're gonna put some more water in and see what it does now. And if it fizzes anymore. So it looks like you can have hours of fun with this. It like guzzles. Can you hear it? It looks so bad, but it's okay. We got rid of the rest of the dry ice, and I've been running the faucet, so it's just bubbling like crazy. All right, buddy. So we added some different food color into it. So the yellow and blue in with our red, we kind of got like this funky color. Not quite the purple I was expecting, or the green, but interesting.